Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can add a payment method to your Remitly account. If you are new to our channel, then first of all do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, what you want to do is make sure that you have downloaded and installed the Remitly application to your phone. If you have not downloaded the Remitly application, go back and open your Play Store if you're on Android, and open your App Store if you're on your iOS or your iPhone. So once you're on your respective app stores, on the top of the screen you can see the search box. Simply click on the search box and type in Remitly. Once you type in Remitly, you will see the first application which comes up. It is called Remitly Transfer Money, and then what you want to do is click on the green install button if you haven't installed it already, and if you're on your iOS device, and click on the cloud like icon in order to verify the download. So once you are sure that you have downloaded and installed the Remitly application to your phone, what you want to do is simply open the Remitly application. But before you open the application, you need to make sure that you're actually logged in and have a profile. If you don't have a profile or an account, then you will not be able to add a payment method. So if you don't know how to sign up or create an account, then click on the upper right hand side of the screen where we will show you how you can create an account on the Remitly application for absolutely free. So since I was already logged in, it didn't ask me for any credentials. Now what you want to do is at the bottom of the screen you can see the My Remitly option. So what you want to do is simply click on the option which says My Remitly. Once you go to My Remitly option, on the third option you can see the option which is called Payment Methods underneath the language option. So what you want to do is click on the third option which says Payment Methods. And as you can see, currently we haven't added any payment methods, so it is actually blank. So on the top of the screen on the right hand side you can see an add text, so simply click on add. As you can see that now we have been given permissions to enter our payment details. In the first box, what you want to type is enter your card number, which is your debit or credit card, whichever card you have. Then on the second box you need to enter your expiration date and then the security code, and you also need to enter your name, your card's nickname, and for the security purpose you also need to enter your billing address such as your postcode, your apartment and your flat number, your street line address and your city. Once you have added all the information correctly depending on your card and your information, at the bottom of the screen on the right hand side you can see a save icon. So once you click on save, your payment method will be successfully saved. And this is how you can add a payment methods on your Remitly Money account. You can even add multiple payment methods. So we hope this video was helpful to you. If it did help you in any way, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, because we are going to bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.